There will be an acceleration lane when you see the white line. Change turn signal to the left, speed up to 50, keep looking at your side mirror, then you are into the freeway. Let's try changing lanes while we are in a freeway. Still, smog, S for signal, M for mirror. If there is a car there, then don't go, just keep moving. O is for over the shoulder, then you can go. From time to time you have to check your rear view mirror just to see, and you also have to turn on your headlights while you are on a freeway. It makes them see you better, makes you visible. Side, when they check the side mirrors, left and right, rear view mirror, you see them because of the headlights. Changing lanes to the right would be signal, mirror, over the shoulder, then look, then start changing lanes. It is very important that you know what your exit is. If you're going to count lanes, you have to count from left to right. Lane 1, lane 2, lane 3, lane 4. Lane 1 would be the fastest. You can find the carpool there. 2 or more in a car, you can go on lane 1 and go to a carpool. That's a carpool. Second would be the second fastest. Third, cruising. Fourth would be your exit lane. Every time you see a thick broken line, exit, signal, mirror, okay, that sign says 25 miles per hour. Merging into a freeway. Okay, let's merge into a freeway again. The meter is not on, then you don't have to stop. Okay, always look for that acceleration lane, and you have to accelerate at least 50. Then signal to merge into the freeway. Always check side mirror, then change lane to the left. If you can. It's very important that you keep your lane while you are in a freeway. Keeping your lanes would mean checking your side mirrors, left and right, looking forward as far as you can. Exiting a freeway. Exiting a freeway. Turn signal to the right. Keep looking. Follow a car. Then right side mirror. It's free. Over the shoulder, then you can go. Always use your turn signal when turning. Change lane to the left, signal, mirror. If it's free, over the shoulder, then you can go.